Well, there is never a dull day in crypto, is there? Holy freaking cow. FTX exchange has just gone under. Crypto's crashing majorly. Let's talk about it. So this is the tweet from the CEO of Binance this afternoon. FTX asked for help. There was a significant liquidity crunch. To protect users, we signed a non-binding LOI intending to fully acquire FTX.com and help cover the liquidity crunch. We will be conducting the full DD in the coming days. Holy cow, man. Holy cow. FTX, one of the biggest exchanges, the unicorn of the last bull run, the big star of crypto, the one who was coming in and bailing out BlockFi and bailing out Voyager. They're done. It's over. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy, man. Basically, CZ from Binance is buying one of his biggest competitor exchanges after this crushing liquidity crunch where Binance sold off $500 million worth of the FTT token, putting massive pressure right across the FTX ecosystem. It has been a crazy couple of days with all this drama going on. Holy cow, what a big reminder as well that do not keep your money on exchanges, right? I hope you guys were listening to that when I said it yesterday in the video. You were listening to that when I said it the other day on Twitter, because holy cow, here it is, once again, another exchange just hitting the damn rocks. What a crazy, crazy year it's been for crypto with UST and Luna and Celsius and Voyager and half a dozen other lenders that went under. And now a big crypto exchange getting bought out by one of their major competitors. This is crazy, crazy stuff here. And interestingly, yesterday, SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of FTX Exchange, he put out this tweet. A competitor is trying to go after us with false rumors. FTX is fine. Assets are fine. That was the Lehman tweet. That was the Lehman tweet. I remember back in 2008, Lehman Brothers famously said, everything's great, our liquidity's great, and then like 3 days later, they went under. This was FTX's Lehman tweet here, man. This is absolutely crazy stuff that we're seeing right now in the cryptocurrency market. Of course, the FTT token, I mean, look at this. Look at this chart right here. This is absolute insanity. That's the weekly chart, but let's just zoom in and look at the 4-hour chart to really get an idea of the extreme chaos. That's a 4-hour chart. We dropped from $21 down to $2.50. That's basically a 90% drop within a couple of hours for the FTT token. The FTX token may be done with the buyout of the exchange currently underway by Binance. Rand Nooner also pointing out here, Solana getting killed, market realizing that CZ Binance now owns 10% of the tokens, that he'd rather support the BNB chain than the Solana chain. Also, Solana just lost all the support and investment that FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried were making into the ecosystem. You have to realize that for Solana and quite a few other coins, I mean, Alameda Research, which is the venture capital arm of FTX, they invested in all kinds of stuff, man. They're all over the place, all over the place. And if we see the investments by FTX and the support that they've given to the Solana ecosystem in particular, FTX exchange going under, this is a big deal for that entire ecosystem. They were one of the major supporters of it. So that puts a lot of pressure on that. I'm sure the market has fully calculated that in yet. We've only seen Solana, for example, drop from $31.50 down to $20 during all of this madness. But this kind of price madness has gone right across the crypto ecosystem. Look at this. This is the Matic chart, man. Like, holy cow, Matic has been such a bullish asset this year. But just look at this chart. We dropped from $1.24 down to 90 cents. That's absolutely crazy. That was on a 4-hour chart, right? So we saw Matic drop 28%. No, yeah, 28% in about an hour, man. That's crazy stuff. This is absolutely nuts what's going on right now in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum, of course, also giving back all the gains for the last few weeks, getting the price right back down to where it was actually back in mid-October. Bitcoin actually hitting new lows for the year today. So we actually came down to 17,950 here. What else is on Binance? Other exchanges did put in lower price points. We can go over to Coinbase, for example, and have a look. You can see on Coinbase, the price actually did get down lower than it did on Binance. We can see it down at 17,489, whereas the previous low was at 17,577. So a lot of exchanges did put in a new yearly low for Bitcoin today, which is absolute insanity when you think about everything that's been happening. This big exchange war between FTX and Binance over the last few days has caused a lot of fear in the market, right? And these initial down days right here, those were the markets starting to price in that fear. And then the news today that FTX went under. It's over. It's over. They blocked withdrawals about 5 or 6 hours ago. Then a couple hours later, Binance comes out and says, yep, FTX is done and we're buying it. This is insane stuff here for the cryptocurrency market. The volatility, the insanity that we've seen this year. I mean, if you have survived this far into 2022 as a cryptocurrency investor, you need, like, I don't know, a cup of tea or a hug or something, man, because it has been absolute insanity what we've been seeing going on in the cryptocurrency markets this year. So holy cow, guys. Stay strong out there. I know it's been an absolutely crazy year for the cryptocurrency markets. That's just a short update. I wasn't even planning on making a video today, but there's a short update for you just on what's going on with this insane situation. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick update for you guys. Subscribe now, and I'll see you next time.